pinakauna kong hiking dito sa Bergen at titingnan natin kung ano ang mga magagandang tanawin dito. Oh, what kind of trees is this? You think? There's someone running up here. Daddy! Oh, if we're tired, we can do picnic here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just speaking English because my husband is the one who is taking. Okay, that way is another way. There's someone running there, but we will go there uphill. You can see the view down there. It's a city. Oh. Okay, that one, there is a waterfalls there, but now because it's summer, so there is no waterfalls. So this is some park, and then you can see the city down here. Look, there is a beach, some houses, beautiful houses, the famous colorful houses here in Norway. And yeah, we are in the city center, so that's why you can see the city up here, and down there is a beach. Every grass here, there is always a plant like this in a grass.
Dandelion.
Huh?
Dandelion.
That's the name of this flower. It look like daisy in Masbate. Yeah, so pretty. So beautiful view here.
Play.
Wow! Ang ganda, diba? Tingnan nyo ang view. Wow! It's so pretty. It's so beautiful here. And I wish this is always the weather. Sana ganito lagi yung weather dito. Kasi timing lang talaga na pagpunta ko dito, siguro alam talaga na darating ako, kaya pinainit yung Norway. 26 degrees dito sa Bergen. And syempre, bihira lang naman maka 26 degrees dito. Eksakto talaga pagdating ko. Kaya tanaw ko yung magandang tanawin. Actually, mainit siya, pero yung hangin, ramdam mo konting lamig, parang nasa aircon ka. Pero 26 degrees na yun, ha. Ang ganda doon, no? Alam nyo, meron ditong beach. Ayun, maliit lang na beach. May sand siya. Konti lang, pero maraming naliligo. Pero alam nyo, malamig yung tubig. Na-try ko kasing hawakan yung dagat. Ang lamig, ang lamig as in. Para kang humawak ng ice. Ganon yung lamig dito. Sa tubig, ha. At saka naiinom yung tubig dito galing sa tap water, yung sa gripo. Naiinom. Alam nyo ba, bihira lang nga makita mo tong yung mga flowers, pero bawal mag-pick up ng flowers dito. Tingnan nyo, di ba ang grass, merong mga bulaklak. Parang ang ganda, ang sarap humiga kapag maraming flowers. So, saan tayo pupunta? There? You can show there. Merong daanan dito, meron din pang-way doon, meron din papunta doon. So, saan tayo? Kapag sa Pilipinas, bawal ka magturo-turo kasi baka alam mo na. Pero dito, okay lang. Very open. Pero dumaan, pero masyadong mataas. Pwede din doon. Pero, okay. Tingnan lang natin sa malamig, ramdam mo yung lamig. Pero pag dito, medyo mainit. So, there is another way here going up hill, and there is another way here. But now, pupunta kami dun at titingnan natin kung ano ang makikita natin doon. Wala na! Nakakapagod kasi napakataas. Pero alam nyo ba kung anong tree yan? Kung alam nyo, paki-comment down below kung ano to. Yung maliit na park dito, I think pag napagod ka, pwede ka magpahinga dito. Tapos pwede ka nang bumaba doon sa city. Try natin to. Hindi ko pa na-try to. Come here. I'm scared. Mama. My
3, 2,
I don't like.
1,
Mama.
go.
Let's try.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I'm scared. Mama. Oh my god, I don't like.
We've ruined the video. Welcome back. She's finally deciding to go.
Actually, I don't like sliding. I never tried
People are
sliding.
looking at you.
Why?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, Mama. Oh my god, Daddy.
You're ruining
If I
it.
fall,
This is-
you need to
3,
watch out.
2, 1, go.
Mama! I don't like.
Right. Well, that was pointless.
Okay, kasi hindi ko kaya. I'm scared. Talagang takot talaga ako sa mga slide. Takot ako sa heights. So, ngayon, siya ang gagawa.
3, 2, 1.
Is it fun?
Yes.
What if I will... there. Naubusan ng English. Okay. Okay. This is like
Amphitheatre.
huh?
Amphitheatre.
What's amphitheater?
This.
Okay.
So you could have a crowd and you could act here.
Oh, maybe you're my audience. I will play because I'm an actress in Philippines, you know. I mean in school. I am a best actress in our school. So maybe I can act for you. And then you can sit over there.
Okay, I'll get my hat.
No, that is... Okay. What would you like me to do? Sing, dance, or acting?
You got about 20 seconds.
What? Sing, act, or dancing? Actually, hindi ako nahihiya dito kasi wala akong kakilala. And they are all foreigners. And alam nyo ba, foreigner din ako dito. Kaya, okay lang. Wala naman akong kakilala. Kaya, okay lang. Kahit maglikot-likot ako dito. Okay. Tanaw nyo ba yan? Tingnan nyo ang city. Di ba ang ganda? Kapag winter dito, syempre, snow na yan. Pero ngayon summer kasi. Maraming tao dito naglalakad. Mini hiking lang kami ngayon, pero malay mo, next day or next month, we will go there. In that. Okay. Andito na tayo. Medyo malayo na yung nilakad. Ito, may harang dito. Siguro protection para sa mga bato. Okay, so pwede tayo ditong maglakad or pwede tayong pumunta pa doon. Kapag napagod ka na, you can just, pwede ka na mag-down dito, papunta sa city, at umuwi ng bahay. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Actually, hindi pa naman ako uuwi. So, pupunta pa ako doon. Pero ngayon, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Yeah. Hagdan-hagdan siya. Mahaba ha, mataas. So, nakakapagod pala kapag dito ka din mag-akyat. Nag-hike lang kami ng konti. Flat lang naman masyado yung nilakaran namin. Pero kapag dito ka umakyat, maramdaman mo talaga yung pag-akyat mo kasi maraming steps. So, pupunta na tayo doon. Okay? Follow me. Actually, thank you for taking a video with me, George. Parang nasa ilalim ka ng dagat. Ang daming green. Nakaakyat. Have you climbed there?
Not exactly here, but nearby.
This is nice. Ang ganda, diba? Puro green. Cute view. Up doon.
Well, it's not that.
Han har ikke betalt for tilbakekamera. Nei, da lukker de ned da. Ja da. Og borte på den siden.
Where is the briquet?
Not here.
Oh, not here. Simoy ng hangin dito. Mainit pero okay lang. Di ganun kainit tulad ng Pilipinas 46 degrees bago ako umalis. Pero dito nasa 22 degrees lang. Pero summer na yan. Napagod ba kayo? Okay, nandito na tayo. Siyempre, pag malamig, may snow, papahinga ka dito. Pwede tayo dito magluto. We can cook here. Yeah, I think it's not a cook. Like, pwede ka lang ditong magpa-init. Kung na-stuck ka dito and super lamig, pwede ka ditong magpa-apoy. Pine tree, right? So we can get that to make a Christmas tree inside the house. This is pretty nice here, over here. Come here. Look, so green. Yeah, it's a lot of trees. You know, this is my first time to see a lot of pine trees. Because in Philippines, I think there's just only few pine trees in Tagaytay. But this one is a lot.
Baguio as well.
Yeah, I've never been in Baguio, only in Tagaytay. But also in Philippines, in some in Manila, in Masbate, there are houses that there is a pine tree outside their house. Okay, let's go there. Bawal tumakbo. Okay, aakyat kami doon. Napakataas pa. Ang layo pa ng lalakarin namin. Hindi namin alam kung hanggang saan tong road na to. But we can go there down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pag maulan ba, may water ba dito? Is there a water here if it's raining?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, dahil summer, so walang tubig. Pero kapag maulan na, maraming tubig dito. Parang waterfalls. And then down there, we can go there. But hindi kami pupunta doon kasi pababa na yun ng city. Pupunta pa rin kami doon. So, hala. Hi! So, wakas, nandito na tayo sa, anong tawag dito?
Lovestein Boardwalk.
Yes! Same lang naman eh, pero ang pinagkaiba is wood na to. Ito kasi dito parang may mga bato. Look. Tanaw mo yung buong city dito. Nakakatakot. Kung matatakotin ka sa heights, huwag ka nang tumingin sa baba. Kasi mataas ito eh. Pwede ka ditong humiga if you want. You can sit here, you can walk or jump. I think it's still safe.
People are looking at you.
So what? Okay, I will run. I cannot reach it. It's like a kid, you know? Okay, I'm free here to be kid because no one is Filipino here. I'm the only Filipino, I'm the foreigner here. I feel I'm actress here because yeah, this seems they always look at me. Cha, are. Lagi silang nakatingin sa akin dito kapag dumadaan ako, nagsasalita ako. Kasi nga, Filipina tayo, attractive tayo sa kanila.
Okay.
Alam nyo, ang kinis, ang soft, bagong-bago. Kasi kaka-open lang nila nito nung April. Kaya, hindi pa siya ganun kakilala. Pero, yeah, maraming nagja-jogging, maraming nag-exercise dito. At may nagsa-cycling din dito. Bagong open kasi ito eh. Maganda, tanaw mo talaga yung city dito. Maganda maglakad dito. Finally, we're here in the middle. Nandito na tayo sa pinakagitna ng, ano tawag dito?
Lovestein Boardwalk.
Yes, boardwalk. It's like in a highway boardwalk. It's like boardwalk. Okay, do you want me to run over there? Daddy, what if I will jump there? You will get me? Okay. Comment down below kung sino nang nakapunta dito. Sino ang may alam nito? Kung nandito kayo sa Norway, paki-comment down below. Baka magkita-kits tayo dito. Okay, ito na yung pinaka-last. Kung makikita nyo, buhangin na, bato-bato na sa dulo. Finally, we made it! We're here. Pinakadulo na to. At syempre, hindi na kahoy. Bato-bato na. And wala na kaming maupuan. Occupied na lahat ang upuan. So maghahanap kami mamaya doon ng aming pwesto para mag-lunch. Kasi nagbaon kami para sa lunch. Nagbaon kami ng lunch kasi malayo to. At nakakapagod kapag pag pumunta ka dito tapos babalik ka ulit. So nakakapagod yun. And anong oras na ngayon? What time now?
About 1:15.
Oh, it's 1:15 already. It's late lunch, but yeah, kaya pa naman. So, pupunta kami doon. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Diba ang ganda? Super pretty. Super beautiful. Bergen. I wish Bergen will be ang sarap, ang sariwa ng hangin dito, ang lamig, mainit pero yung hangin na saktong-sakto, maganda talaga yung weather. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment down below kung nakapunta na kayo sa lugar na to. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Journey with Rose. So this is a Norwegian language.
You're standing at the bridge's highest point.
And then look, the city is over here. Blow it. Okay, that's nice.